Hello, my name is Carol, and I'm back with more tutorials on how to use Infraspeak. We have now arrived at the configuring and structuring stage of our preventive maintenance. Ready to move forward? You can see where an asset is, what it needs, and who should work on it and when. The important part here are the categories related to the equipment or assets and how to add them. All of the related features on how to link NFC tags to an equipment. This session will be mainly meant for technicians and managers and who will show you how to monitor assets better and smarter by maximizing asset utilization, optimizing the availability, reliability, and its lifetime. Along the way, we will provide small tips and use case scenarios for you to use once exploring Infraspeak. This module is divided into two videos. On the first one, we will be looking at our web interface and how we can add types of equipment and self-maintenances, adding information onto our technical sheets and why we link location types to our self-maintenances and how to do so. The second video will tell us how to add new assets via web and app, add NFC tags to equipment, and look at how we can get data for analysis by generating asset reports. After we are done with these videos, you will be able to register assets via web and app, add pictures, register NFC tags, and customize asset views and add all the relevant asset information. You will also be able to successfully create a work order on an equipment via web or app, add NFC tags to an equipment, and generate reports regarding your assets. If you want to start excelling at Infraspeak Asset Management app, tune in to the next video. As always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!